Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, hello Andy. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, Andy, today we're going to talk about duck's friend. Can you say it? Duck's friend. Okay, duck's friend.
Fan.
Okay, who is your friend? My
I
friend is. Who is your friend?
teacher.
Teacher Joy? Okay. What animal is this, Harry? This
Fish.
a
Fish.
duck or a fish?
Duck.
And look at the duck. Is it happy or sad?
Sad.
Okay, it's sad. Now, one day the duck sees a what's this?
Fish.
Okay, the fish. What color is the fish? Is it yellow or blue?
Yellow.
Okay, it's yellow. And look at the face of the fish. Is it happy or angry?
Angry.
Okay, it's angry. Good job. And the fish doesn't want to play. So the fish says,
No, no, no.
very good. So the fish goes away. And then the duck sees a, is this a frog or a goose?
Up.
Okay, a frog. What color is the frog? Is it green or yellow?
Green.
Very good. Is it happy or angry?
Angry.
Good. And the duck says, hey, frog, play with me, please. But the frog says,
No, no, no.
yes. So the frog goes away. And then the duck sees a, what is this? Is it a fish or a goose?
Cool.
Okay, very good. Look at the goose face. Is it happy or sad?
Happy.
Good. And the duck says, play with me, please. All right. Look at the picture. Are they happy or sad?
Happy.
Are they playing or are they flying?
Play.
Playing, very good. Okay. And the duck has got a friend. Who is the duck's friend? A goose or a fish?
Good.
A goose. Very good. Thank you so much. And that's the end of your story. Goodbye.
Goodbye.